Today I will travel by airplane. I am very excited. The airport is big and beautiful. There are many people here. This is the airport entrance. Security is important. Hello. I want to check in.
May I see your passport? Yes. Here it is. This is your boarding pass and passport.
This is my flight number. This is my gate number. My seat number is 18A.
I have one suitcase. Please put your bag here. Your bag is checked in. This is the waiting area. Many passengers are waiting.
Is this the line for flight 205? Yes, boarding will start soon.
The airplane is arriving. It looks very big. Now we are boarding the plane. Welcome aboard.
Where is my seat? This is my seat. I like window seats.
Please fasten your seatbelt. The airplane is taking off. Would you like tea or coffee?
Coffee, please. This is my first long flight.
Enjoy your journey.
We are landing now. Please remain seated. Welcome to Dubai. Thank you.
This is my luggage. I traveled alone by airplane. Airplane is easy and fun.